Hello, and welcome to another quick tutorial for genealogists. I'm Dayna Jacobs, host of the On Granny's Trail channel, and today's question is about using Evernote for genealogy. How do I create a source to-do list using the Evernote Web Clipper? Evernote is a popular program with genealogists. I use it all the time for not only for genealogy, but to keep track of everything in my life. And so I'd like to give it a little plug here. You can download Evernote from evernote.com, and it also comes in a mobile version, which is great to have, and it will sync everything across all of your devices, your laptops, your desktop, and your mobile, so that any information you collect and add to one device will automatically show up on your other device. So it's very handy to have it when you go to do research for genealogy. So I'd like to show you today just one little aspect of Evernote, the Web Clipper. You can download the Web Clipper online from the Evernote website, and when you do, it looks like this. This little elephant will appear up here in this toolbar, and you see when I hover my mouse over it, it says Clip to Evernote. So anything that I view online, if I want to save it and get back to it later, I just click on Evernote, the Clip to Evernote, and it'll send it to my Evernote. So let me show you how that's done to create a list of sources that you might want to check later. So first we need to do a few things to prepare to collect these online sources, and what I'm going to do is go to my stack. I have a stack of notebooks here called Research, and if I open it up, you'll see all the notebooks within it. I just right click on the word Research. I create a notebook in it called Fouts. Joseph Lehi. You see it puts that notebook in the stack. Now the first thing I want to do with my new notebook is to put a research report template in it. So I go down to where I've saved a research report template, and this is something you can also download from On Granny's Trail if you want to use it. But I right click on it and I say copy to notebook. And I select the Fouts notebook. If I go back up here, you'll see that there's a fresh new research report all ready to go. So let's head over to Family Search now, because that's where I want to demo how to collect sources and make a to-do list out of them. So we go over to Family Search and click on Search. And then it allows us to then choose what we want to search, and I'm going over here to Catalog. Click on Catalog, and Joseph Lehi Fouts lived in Tuba City, Coconino County, Arizona. So I'm just going to put in Coconino, and the catalog finds it easily. Search, and it will bring up a list of search results from the Family Search catalog. If I click on probate records, here's one for territorial probate court cases. Click on that to open up more details. And that's something that I want to put in my list of things to check for later. If I'm going to the library, this will be a nice thing to have on my to-do list. I want to have it save the entire page though, not just this little screen clip. I go up here to my elephant, my Evernote elephant. It's already named this note for me, Family Search Catalog, Territorial Probate Court Cases. And I'm going to select full page. That will get everything beyond what I can see on my screen right now. It's going to go to the Joseph Lehi Fouts notebook. If it didn't say that on here, I could click my drop down and select the notebook. I'll save that. And now you can see up here it's clipping it to Evernote. I can do this over and over with every source that I find in the catalog, and it will send each one over to my Evernote so that I can then, when I get to the library, I can open it up and check each of those resources. It's taking a second to sync, but once it's done, it gives us a little notice up here that it's clipped it. I can close that, and now I'm going to go back to my Evernote and let's take a look. You'll notice it doesn't show up in there immediately until I click on the sync, and now it pops into my notebook, and there it is, just as it looked on the website. When I'm done looking through the catalog and clipping everything I want to clip, my notebook is going to look similar to this other notebook that I've got here. You can see all of these sources that I've clipped in here. And then after a trip to the repository, you can insert photos to your note. So when I go check this territorial probate court case, I can insert a photo by clicking here on my attach files and find it on my hard drive and insert the photo right there. I can add any comments I might have about that source. I can change the title of my note so that it is something that goes with my my naming convention for my notes. I can do all kinds of edits here. So that's just a quick look at how you can add sources to your Evernote and make your own to-do list. Well, that's our quick tutorial for today. I'm Dayna Jacobs, and thanks for stopping by on Granny's Trail channel.